a heartwarming display of peace and unity, thousands of Buddhist monks from across 17 countries gathered in India's eastern state of Odisha to honor Guru Padmasambhava, revered as the second Buddha. This 5-day convention not only celebrated the teachings of the 8th century master, but also highlighted the state's rich cultural ties to Buddhism, promoting peace, self-discovery and harmony. Take a look.
Odisha, often referred to as the soul of India, is a treasure trove of culture, heritage and spirituality. With that, the state has played a significant role in the spread of spiritualism through Buddha's heritage. Recently, to uphold the age-old legacy, over 1,200 Buddhist monks from 17 countries, including India, gathered in Udaigiri, Jajpur, Odisha, to pay tribute to the spiritual legacy of Guru Padmasambhava, revered as the second Buddha. This extraordinary 5-day convention celebrated the profound teachings of the 8th century Buddhist master known as Guru Rinpoche.
Actually, I was born Catholic, but then my family gave me the possibility to explore other religions. So I understood Buddhism, and I came in contact to all those kind of values that I'm aligned with, especially non-violence and compassion are really keen to me, and that's why I appreciate Buddhism.
On the occasion, following the morning peace prayer at Udaigiri, the monks visited Ratnagiri, another site of historical significance. The event underscores Odisha's historic connection to Buddhism, particularly through the renowned Diamond Triangle, Udaigiri, Ratnagiri and Lalitgiri, which is celebrated for its spiritual and cultural heritage.
Buddhism is an incredible universal message of world peace. And when we find inner peace, then we can send a message to the entire communities in our world that there's something that belongs within each of us. It's called Buddha, and that means peace.
As you know, Guru Padmasambhava, which is also known as Guru Rinpoche, outside India, his birthplace is Odisha. And when he went to Tibet and spread the message of Buddha, and after that he came back India, and he spent his last time in Ratnagiri and Lalitgiri, and he died here. So that is why this place is very auspicious, and the followers of Buddha, particularly this Vajrajan sect, they are visiting this place around the year.
Guru Padmasambhava, a central figure in Vajrayana Buddhism, often considered one of the founding fathers of Tibetan Buddhism, and is deeply venerated across Tibet, Bhutan, Nepal, parts of India and the world. His teachings emphasize a universal message of peace, self-discovery and harmony.